there should be a, actually, you know what I should do is a, hard save right here. Okay, so I have to go back this way then. To shut these lights off. Should, according to the map, it should be right in this location. Unless, do I gotta go back upstairs or something? Or I wonder if, I'm just not seeing where it is I'm supposed to go to shut these lights off, even though I've got the map with me. Well, let me make my way up the stairs. Maybe there's an area up here where I'm supposed to go. See him sneak up behind me. Let's see, let me do some repair on my gun. Okay. So the only thing I can think of is it's probably upstairs where I have to turn these lights off. Activate broken terminal. And drink that dirty water. Activate uptown floodlight controls. That's what we want. Terminate floodlight power. And need to escape to the market square. You know what I think I'm going to do is
move along, please.
let's get some robots. Get some robots activated here.
Do not attempt to flee the
Wow. I need you guys shooting at the trogs, not at me. Another bobby pin. I wonder if I need to go back out to
do not make any further escape deadly operation. Please directly to your world.
Well, I'm gonna get killed off here.
Law enforcement.
Alright. So you guys deal with the trogs, that's why I activated you. Meanwhile, I need to get over to back to where Werner is. Rather interesting place here.
Attention. Fugitive should be considered armed.